welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about policies and value functions in RL. There are two fundamental concepts and which helps us making decisions by the agents. Policy, let's discuss what is policy. So what is policy? Policy is a mapping from states to probabilities of selecting each possible action, right? It's like a strategy or a plan that tells us what to do in each action, right? So, for example, if you imagine if you are playing a game of chess, the policy would tell you that what move to make in each position on the board. It tells you to move this piece of chess. Sorry, it tells us to move this piece, like move this horse or move this camel, right? It's like a strategy or a plan. And what is value function? Value functions are nothing but the functions that estimate how good it is to be in a given state or to take a given action in a given state. So there are two types of value functions. Those are state value function and also an action value function, where state value functions denoted by V of phi. Next, action value functions are denoted by Q of phi into S of A. So state value functions are estimated by the expected future rewards given a state and a policy, whereas actual functions estimate the expected future rewards given by a state and an action and a policy. When we talk about the Bellman's equation, the Bellman's equation is a recursive relationship that values functions satisfy. It says that value of a state is equal to the expected reward for that state plus the discounted value of the next state. And when we see, obviously you need to remember this formula equation, Bellman equation. You need to remember or by heart, but you need to write that in the exam. When we discuss about optimal policies and value functions, optimal policy is nothing but a policy that maximizes the expected returns or expected cumulative reward for all the states, whereas optimal state value functions are denoted by V star that estimates the future expected estimates the maximum expected future rewards given by a state, whereas optimal value functions are denoted by the Q star, which estimates the maximum expected future rewards given a state and an action. So let's talk about Bellman's optimality equation. Here it is the state, it's a backup diagram for V of phi and Q of phi, where it is a state node, it is an action node, and it is the reward received by choosing an action, and it is the current state or the next step. And it is the equation we can write Q star in the terms of V star. Need to remind all the equations. And Bellman equation says you that a recursive relationship that all optimal value functions satisfy, and policy and value functions are also two fundamental concepts in reinforcement learning. And by understanding these concepts, we can build more intelligent systems that can learn from experienced and make better decisions over the time. And thanks for watching. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on RL. If you want to learn more about RL, please do check out our playlist on this RL reinforcement learning playlist. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.